Hey traders, Rick here, Hit and Run Candlesticks. How you doing? Hey, I've got another video today, Sunday, October 9th, 2022, and I want to really reach out there to the members of Hit and Run Candlesticks. Make sure you keep those smartphones on and the app current. Remember, you have to log in once every 7 days to the trading room to keep it paired, and that keeps it current. I've got 3 more stocks we're going to add to the video watch list. It's going to be Meta, PayPal, and SBUX. We'll go through targets here in a minute. Just want to remind you that, it doesn't matter whether you're on the golf course, you're out fishing, or wine tasting. You don't have to be in the trading room to receive the alerts. You just have to have your phone on, and of course you have to have service and the app, okay? What we do is trade logic videos when we make a trade, and then there'll be, when the trade is made, there'll be alerts on the entry, month, strike price if it's an option. Of course, a stock trade would just be the entry to start with. So here we go. Let's get started. Thank you for watching this video. I do appreciate it. Hey, if you're not a member, if you're not a subscriber of our YouTube channel, please click that bell, subscribe. Be alerted when we put a new video out there. Okay, so let's talk about Meta. Meta here, we've got this, our trend indicator is in a downtrend, so we're cool with that. We're below the 50-period moving average. We're cool with that. We are looking for a short here, by the way, not a long. Now, we had this big bullish candle over here, which gave us a little bit of hope that we were going to break out, but we never broke out, so all is good there. Now we're going to look at that short side. Below the T-line, that's always a good thing to do. Let's move this out of the way. Watch that 3/8 trap. We're actually in that. We actually have broken out of the 3/8 trap to the downside now. And we've broken through this bullish candle here. Next target to the downside is about 128.10, maybe 15, and then 123.40 in that area. So from here, let's lower this a little bit. There we go. We're going to take from the body of that candle, and that's about a 10.7%. So we get a little inside day, maybe. We might look at that entry. We're actually already in a short on this. Might add to it. Stop-wise, wouldn't be too happy if it started moving back up through this big candle right here. All right, the next chart we're going to look at is PayPal, PYPL. There we go. So PayPal, here we have this downtrend. And we also have, let's get this line up. There we go. 50-period moving average right here. That's this blue dashed line. We have a nice trend on PayPal. Beautiful, long trade over here, and then it just sideways sloppy down to the 50. We've broken our 50-day period moving average, and we've got a high. Actually, we have somewhat of a double top right here, and then we have a lower high, and now we have another failed high at that 50-period moving average with a gap down Friday. So what I'm looking for is on weakness, of course, it has to stay below that 50-period moving average. Above the 50-period moving average would be really uncool if you're short. In fact, we may switch this to a long trade, but let's stick with the short side now. So we're looking at 83, 78, 80 to 90, 72, 90 here. If we just took from about where it is right now, you're looking at 23, 24% down to the lows, and then your targets right in here. Okay, one more. Let's take a look at SBUX. SBUX, here we go. So SBUX, here's this 50-period moving average again. Beautiful, beautiful trend. Okay. Now, all of a sudden, what happened here? We've got a possible shoulder, head, possible shoulder right in here. And we're trying to crack that 50-period moving average. We're trying to crack right through it. Okay, so On the short side, this right through here is just a chop zone. This just chop zone. We need to get below 83.80, which chop zone could be, entry zone as well. In fact, what really would look good was something like this. Boom, bounce back up, and then that's where we may look for that short. Targets to the downside, 83.80, 81, 85, 90 in that area. 79.65, maybe 75, 85 down here, maybe. Remember, there's going to be relief rallies in here as well. From about the 50 period moving average down to that 75, 85 is 14.5%. Hey, again, this was Rick at Hit and Run Candlesticks. Thank you very, very much for watching the video. If you liked the video, let us know. What else? I'll see everybody tomorrow, okay? Have a terrific Sunday evening, and hope you enjoyed the videos. Take care. Thank you.